Hello lovely ones, it's Ethany and welcome to First Impressions Friday on my channel where I share with you a new deck. And this week I've got the Goddess Dream Oracle, and this is by Rockpool. Well, it's published by Rockpool Publishing, but it's by Wendy Andrew, and I have seen quite a few of these cards online, and I'm really excited to dive into it because the artwork just looks so beautiful. It is a 36 card deck and guidebook. I'm going to swap over the cameras as always, and let's go dive into the Goddess Dream Oracle. Okay, so now we're going to go through the Goddess Dream Oracle by Wendy Andrew. Just taking it out of its plastic wrap. Such pretty. The box has got a really cool textured feel to it. So we have here, Goddess is divine feminine awakening to the greatest magic held within. She is the maiden of creativity, the mother of love, and the crone of sacred wisdom. So artist and author, I love artist and author. It's not that I don't understand the collaboration, but artist and author Wendy Andrews, Thor, illustrates the divine embodiments of the goddess. Channeling sacred feminine energy includes 36 cards and guidebook. Alrighty, so it's a really beautiful box. It's kind of like the standard size that the sort of Hay House set for their cards. Thor is like really wants to. Oh wow. Look at that, I love that beautiful spiral. That's the inside. Oh, we have that on the back too. Hi Thor. And the guidebook, which I'll look at later. And then we have the apps as well. Does anyone use apps? I'm interested to know whether anyone uses them. I don't. I have travel decks in my bag as well, so I don't tend to, I will just whip out my cards. But the tinned ones have done a really good job of allowing for more travel. Look at this beautiful, so we see the spiral, kind of the vines. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, my dog. Thor's like, I want to be a part of it. So standard like I'm gonna say 330. Oh, that might be 350 actually for the size. A glossy laminate. Okay, let's go through. So we have the first one is abundance. Count your blessings. That ring light might get a little annoying. Might take that away. I was trying to get a little bit of light in here because it is shockingly dark outside. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and it's grey and raining. So abundance. So beautiful. Oh, look, acceptance. It's very Ceridwen. Awareness. Look beyond what you see. My dog is really making a lot of noise, everyone. I apologize about that, but he will be a puppy. What you can't see is what he's doing, which is just being very funny. Balance. And so that's Amaterasu. Light and dark. Bravery. I'm going to say this is Artemis. Explore your inner wild places. Goddess of the Hunt. Or Diana, depending on what pantheon she's taken this from. Right to future. The darkest hour is just before the dawn. Very hermit. It's so pretty. I'm not going to know all of these. Blood, I don't know how to say this goddess's name, but I'm assuming that's who that is. Connection, we are all connected. Courage. I wonder if they're taking, well, Amaterasu is not Celtic, but a lot of these goddesses are, she's gorgeous. Dance, let your body move. My dog thinks he's a cat. He's like standing on the windowsill. Direction, where are you heading? That's probably Rihanna or Epona, depending again on the pantheon. See, like that might be Bluefwitten. I don't know how to say her name. The Celtic goddess that is associated with owls, because I'm not quite sure Athena would be connected to dance, but I could be wrong. Dreaming, that's gorgeous. Great Gaian energy there. Be aware of your dreams. Oh, it could be like Freya or Frigga. Forgiveness, compassion and kindness. The artwork is so stunning. I love beautiful badger in the background. I really, really, really respond to this artwork. I love that it's borderless. Free spirit, be your own person. Yeah, her artwork is so gorgeous. Happiness, that could be a story or a starter. For Easter, joy of life. Certainly looks like a fertility goddess to me. Imagination, let your dreams take flight. Really, really beautiful. In nature, connect with nature. Lots of owls. I'm not mad about it. I love owls. Owls and bees. Lots of spiral hares and horses. Oh, look at the little kitty cat. Meow, meow. Insight, be open to enchantment. This has got to be the Morrigan with that crow. And the fact that she is an enchantment goddess. Hey, look, it's a Patronus. Okay, I'm sort of being serious, but not really. That's so gorgeous. This is such a beautiful deck. Inspiration, begin now. That might be Bridget with that crown flame. Intention, spinning fate. Wendy, your artwork is so beautiful. Intuition, inner wisdom. Letting go, emotional release. Kind of reminds me of my spirit doll, Sedna. Life purpose, manifest your dreams. Moon law, ebb and flow. Fertility, link with the moon, intention. New beginnings, take a fresh look at life. So lots of bunnies, like I said, lots of bunnies, lots of hares, lots of owls. Opportunity, expand your horizons. Look at that eagle, wow. Passion, burning with life's passion. I wonder if there is actually a goddess for each one of these, or if it's more of a like an aspect. I don't know. We'll have to see when I go through the guidebook. But I always like to look at the art first as my first impression. Patience, through the darkness to the light. A beautiful scythe. So we're probably looking at a underworld goddess there. Rhythm, tune into the natural rhythm of life. Self-exploration, fairy tales and myths. Self-love, love yourself. And gorgeous animals. Serenity, be calm. Spiritual insight, sacredness. So gorgeous. These would be really beautiful for altar pieces as well. Strength. Know your strength. It's probably Basset or Sekhmet. Transformation. Be open to change. Feels like another very Bridget or Brigitte. Trust. All as it should be. And your path. Have courage to follow your own path. It's a really, really pretty deck. Like, for me, I mean, the cardstock is great. It's solid cardstock for riffling, like, because I riffle shuffle. The artwork is really beautiful. I'm looking forward to having a look at the guidebook. The glossy matte, like the glossy laminate, definitely does like slide a little bit more, but that's also really cool to fan, like, whee, like it fans so nicely. Sound effect is optional. You don't necessarily have to put a sound effect on it. I do. Yes, I am that person. All right. Let's see what one we got. Oh, look at that. The one that I said would be good for her to have for an altar of the Triple Goddess, Spiritual Insight, Sacredness. So let's have a look at the guidebook. The guidebook has that, again, that almost linen feel. Oh, I like the paper too. Oh, and it has it's coloured. Hello. Oh, I guess Rockpool Publishing stuff is coloured. That makes sense, because even the older ones that are a bit bigger does, wait for it, rewind. Even the larger ones before had colour books. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have introduction. This is from, was 2019, yep. Okay, so the introduction. So someone also helped write it. Special thanks to Tom Powell. Okay, and then how to use the cards. So we have a single card reading, 3 card spread, work, play, and people. Body, mind, and spirit. What was the other one? Past, future, present. And then we jump in. Okay, so yeah, it does have a goddess for each one. So that was Kerr. Just Crone Goddess. I just want to have a look at a few of them. Fox Maiden. So we have Amaterasu, which I knew. Artemis, which I knew. Wanderer. So again, that's not... Okay, so we also have Bridget here. So nice to Bridget. I love this, like, that around there is really gorgeous. So some of them seem to be a little bit more like a part of the goddess, and some of them are more excellent, like this one, Andrasta. Like it's got a, okay, so it's Shakti. She doesn't look Indian. That's probably why I was like, sorry, that's why I was like, oh, I don't know what that one is. Rhiannon moves like a woman. Best song ever. So some of them seem to be more like aspects of the goddess, and some of them are actual wolf woman goddesses. I was interested in that, which I'm not mad at. Which one did I get? 32. Now I've got that song stuck in my head. Oh, that was a Nana. Okay, cool. I'm going to be listening to that song as soon as I'm off. So this is Ceridwen, which makes sense because sometimes she's seen as a maiden, mother, or crone, and we do have that beautiful Arwen, the Cauldron of Plenty. So we have this much information, as you can see, and then we have an affirmation: I allow space in my life for divinity to flow. So you get quite a bit of information. It's a nice jump-off point. I actually really like that there are aspects of the goddess and not just the goddesses. I mean, this is coming from someone whose goddess deck is like well and truly overdue. And so a really, really beautiful deck. I can't wait to work with it. I know I'm going to enjoy it very much as someone who works every every day with the goddess. I really enjoy it. A beautiful deck. I'll put in the description below, box below, where you can get this deck. And as always, everyone, thank you so very much for watching.